Can he buy the car?
Put my money down.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're starting off the video over here at the new Goon Squad garage, where we were planning on doing a little bit of work, but you know what? We decided since it's 4th of July, we might just do something a little bit different, you know what I mean? Maybe do some firecrackers, some hamburgers, some hot dogs, some boating, something that people do on Independence Day, man. It's an important day today, man.
It really is. We want our freedom, dude, so happy freedom, guys. You know what I mean? Like, what do people do today? Like, just hang out with family, I guess.
Whatever you wish. That's the point of, you know, America, you know, freedom. You can do whatever you want today, maybe even break some laws. No, I'm just kidding. Totally kidding. But we'll probably, you know what, just have some fun today and just maybe do a little vlog style video and just
hang out with family and stuff like that. Cook some food, you know, just do whatever we can to enjoy this day. I mean, and also might just get some fireworks. You know, that's the number one. That's the number one rule during 4th of July, right?
Exactly. I mean, you got to make some noise. You got to make some ruckus. So we're gonna go to the fireworks store first things first. Hopefully they're not all sold out. Then towards the end of this video or towards the end of this day, we're gonna go to our brother's house, which is our contractor, and we're gonna do a little grill out cookout there. He's got a little pond. We're thinking about buying like a little stand-up jet ski to throw in the pond.
That'd be awesome, man.
Do some backflips, dude. But nobody wants to respond on Facebook Marketplace because they're all sleeping,
they're
enjoying
all
their freedom sleep, man.
Maybe his HOA will kick us out of the neighborhood.
Dude, they probably will. But you know what? It's not our neighborhood.
Yeah, you got that right.
No, I'm kidding. We'll figure something out. We're gonna just have some fun today. Just shoot a little vlog. So let's just jump into the trucks or jump to our vehicles, run to the fireworks store, and hopefully get some little pop rockets. Yeah, so we made it here to the Dixieland firework place, and this is like the only fireworks store in this region right here. There's one right across the street. Brother and sister, they own them, and they are just booming today. But we're thinking about probably just getting like these type of fireworks that are in a box. That way you don't have to light so much.
Yeah.
But also the mortars are really nice. You know where you put the ball in the tube?
Yes.
You can even hold it and
we
launch
got to get some of those. Don't recommend holding it. Do not do that. Put it on the floor.
Yeah, don't recommend it, but we used to do it. Back in the day, man, we used to do some crazy stuff. Look at that. Guerrilla warfare, man.
Dude, how many shots is this? The most important thing is you gotta look up how many shots.
The Elvis Presley, man.
Throw that in there, dude.
They got some interesting names. You got Sky Treats, you got Fire Drake.
I don't even know what that is right there.
Oriental Dragon. Like, come on, man. That's cool. Cobalt Bomb. Dude, this is some awesome firework names.
They're bringing more out right there too, man.
Gunslinger. Let me get one. Is these yours?
Yeah.
Oh, you can take for sale?
Yes.
We're gonna get a gunslinger, I'll tell you what.
Take them all.
We gotta get some nice ones. And that sounds like a cool name, you know? So it's gonna do some cool stuff. Pyro Nation?
I think they're just coming up with names at this point.
Let's get one of these. Wait, it's light. That one is, this gunslinger is heavy.
Man, look at the shot, how many shot it has.
Hit the road, Jack. Dude, this is cool, but I guess we're just gonna keep on shopping, load up on a bunch of stuff. What are we spending, like $1,000?
Try to.
We're gonna spend somewhere around there, maybe.
We'll fill up this car, how about that?
Let's do it, and let's take him somewhere and light him up.
Shoots flaming balls.
Dude, let's get it. Throw it in there.
Wait, how much is it?
I don't know. Who cares?
It doesn't
There's
matter.
no price today. I think it's right here. Little $9.99. Oh, dang. 18 big shots.
Can you point us in the direction where the best fireworks are? The best. All of them. All of them, really?
I can't tell you what the best is. I mean, it's all personal preference.
Y'all have like one of
But
these
if you
with
got-
like a lot more shots?
If you got a QR code reader,
It'll show
bunch
you what it
those
is.
right there. You can scan that thing. It'll show you exactly what it does.
What on earth is that, dude? A sassy?
600 shots though. You know,
Dude.
that'll go, he said that'll go on for a couple
Let's get it,
minutes.
man.
Wait, how much is it?
That's pretty cool. Yeah, he said
This is a 120 right here.
it's fine. Let's
But
get
you
it.
gotta think about it. If you buy two of these little ones, they're just 100 shot. This one's 600, so it's worth the money, you know what I mean?
Yeah, let's just get whatever. Look at this inside job. Dude, that's crazy. Is that George Bush? If they don't get that one right there, that little ammo crate, we gonna get it.
I think it's like 130, but
130.
that's the last
Hey, I
one.
said we had a limit. Our limit is
1,000.
1,000, right? That's pretty
We
good.
got like,
honestly.
probably like 500 bucks right here.
You think so already?
Probably.
What is
I
that?
think it's just like a sprinkler emoji fountain. What if it shot out
Let's
emojis
get
like, oh,
Let's get one of those, man.
$15, guys.
Let's
what
get
the
it.
heck is
Get
it?
one of those
A
too.
little snow cone.
Them people, they heard us talking about it. Are they still looking at it?
They're still looking at it. We gotta keep
That's the
it
last
down.
one, the ammo crate. We gotta act like you don't want it,
I
right?
want an ammo crate, man.
No, you gotta act like you don't
yeah.
want it. Walk by and say, those suck. Don't
I'll
get it.
stay away from that.
They stink
what
afterwards.
What about these, man? We used to love these
Those
as
are kind of
kids.
lame, honestly.
but
They just make a lot of noise. You want the beauty in the sky.
Those are headaches right there. shoot, dude, I caught eye contact with him. He's gonna take it probably.
He's gonna get it now.
Man, I don't know why. Everybody wants.
Go over there and put your hand on it and say, this is mine.
I think he's hey, what if I reach over from this side?
Just pull it away. But no, we got a good chunk right here. There's some cool.
What about one of these?
Yeah, grab one of those. Those are the mortars
that you actually put the mortars in.
See what they look like. Is there a picture on there? Oh yeah, those are nice.
He got it.
Yes, sir. Let's go. Get the ammo crate, man. This is
the last one right there.
Last one right there. It must be a good one. Look, it's made in China.
Boy, you got it.
Dude, you know they make some good fireworks, dude. I think all these fireworks might be made in China.
They pack them by hand,
dude. Full of magnesium, whatever kind of. What do they put in firecrackers? Do you know?
No, you know they used to make fireworks in Ringgold, Georgia.
No way.
Around here, yeah, they closed down due to the law.
What? Oh, this is Tennessee. You can't sell fireworks in Georgia, can you?
I don't know.
I don't know the law,
No.
but hey.
Can't sell them where?
In Georgia?
They're illegal to shoot every night in Georgia at 11 o'clock.
I was wrong. They are illegal in Georgia.
Georgia's a lot better than
They got fireworks stores in Georgia?
Yeah, but you gotta go to Atlanta. It's not good.
Right. Y'all got the best ones in town, though, right? I know it.
It's in a lot of towns.
Best in the state.
Yeah.
Just about. How much?
It ain't for sale, man. Sorry.
Oh.
I don't know what that is.
I know it's got a price tag on it.
Is that off of
From Joe Dirt or something?
maybe?
I said it was 600.
I think it's 800. Who's closer?
Let's guess again.
1,000. 1,100.
1,000.
1,200.
945.92.
Check this out, guys. So we just filled up the back of this Ford Raptor over here, and as we were filling it up, this guy pulled up in this Ranger, and he was like, hey, if you guys start running out of room, put it in there. So, you know what? We're just gonna tell him to hit the road, Jack, and we're gonna toss it in his truck. Watch this.
Go ahead and toss it in there. If it's unlocked, just put it in there, because if you put it in the bed,
He won't even believe it. Boom.
that's how it's done.
Man, imagine that. Like, people are joking around when they say that, but we're actually gonna hook them up.
We're pretty serious. Oh, he had a woman with him? Put it in the back.
Look, they're smiling.
Heck yeah.
Should we say something?
No. Also comes with updated registration.
That's all we need.
2000 OBO. Look at that beauty, man.
Ooh, man, I'm telling you, you can do backflips, cartwheels with that thing.
I don't know. Hopefully it comes with that trailer. If not, we'll just put it in the bed of the truck.
That's how most people do it.
Yeah,
actually,
they put them in the bed, or they do like a little hitch receiver mount when they weld like a little bar up and they just zip tie that thing to it.
Dude, tell them right now. We want it right now.
I did. I said,
You available?
I said right now. I said we ready to go. That's what I told them.
Ready to go. How much do you want? 2,000?
OBO.
Dude, we'll give him like $2. No, we'll offer him probably.
All of our fireworks. Always wet in this tunnel.
That's it?
So we had to stop by after the fireworks store to get some fried jalapenos, dude. Is that right?
That's right, man. These are fire right here, man.
Dude, the best in town. Fried jalapenos, man, at Champy's, and then we're gonna probably get some wings, right? We're all gonna get smoked wings. They got a barbecue over there.
I've had some of the best wings here for sure.
Really?
Yeah, smoked, super good.
Ready.
So
Let's go.
we're just preparing ourselves. We're not gonna eat much because we're gonna go to the
Brother's house.
We're gonna all get together. We're gonna make some good food, and we're gonna get ready for those fireworks. And we may do some other epic stuff over there as well, right?
What are you making?
Philly cheesesteaks.
And what else?
Some good seasoned fries, like good seasoned fries.
Are they frozen?
Yeah.
You know there's a way to eat a wing in one swoop?
Yeah, you gotta break it, but I can't break it in half.
Dang, son, this thing got some stacks on it, and it's rolling coal. That's the wings we just ate right there. Hey, buddy. Did you figure anything out?
Not yet. Hey, it's a bubble. It's a bubble.
What? Bubbles? Oh, you're looking for leaks, man.
This is what Dad does when we're gone.
All right, so I made it here to Parents' house where I'm gonna basically take all the firecrackers out of the Raptor and try to fit it into this Huracan, because I figured it'd just be a cool thing to do, just right out there with that, where we might make a deal with our contractor. I know we were supposed to sell it to him for an amazing deal, but we never really talked about it fully, like 100% on like legit terms. We kind of just brushed it or pushed it under the rug. So today we're gonna have that conversation. I'm gonna let him test drive it as well to see if he really wants it, because it was gonna be either this car or the Porsche that we were gonna kind of just work a deal out on, since he's building my house. So I don't know, we'll see how it goes. We still gotta, I think we mentioned this, we still got a twin turbo our Huracan. We got that option, you know what I mean, to send it out to Sheepy, which we definitely got to do that. I think that'll be ideal, not to waste this opportunity. So we might just do that. But anyways, I guess I'm gonna probably pull that sucker out, maybe give it a quick wash, and load all the firecrackers in the front and maybe in the passenger seat. Change of plans. So this right here is actually a lot smaller than I thought right there. That's all that's gonna fit in there is that sassy. So we're gonna have to take that out. That's something that we're gonna launch in the middle of the night. So what we're gonna do for now is probably go ahead, load up all that stuff that's gonna be ignited that night, load it up into another vehicle that'll be there this afternoon. And for now, we're gonna load up just anything that we could experiment with in the daytime. So, which is gonna be those big old mortars. I'm gonna pull up real quiet. I'm gonna surprise him.
Dang, son! Is that mine? Is that mine?
There's the keys.
Man.
She's all yours. Let's go for a little test drive.
Nah.
See if you really want it.
Nah.
I don't know if you really want it.
Did you
see me pull up in it?
No. I thought you pulled up to the truck.
That's funny, dude. That's why I pulled it on the side over here.
What?
Get in here, man. You like that smell?
The smell alone. I could just sleep in here, bro. Literally.
Can we throw one of these in your pond?
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's test drive it first. I'll set this aside over here. Cause like, you know, some people change their minds every once in a while.
I tell you what, you ain't got to worry about that.
Not this time. You can go ahead and start. I got the key in my pocket.
Keys in my pocket.
Oh, snap.
Wow.
But you want a drop top though.
No. I'll take this one. How do I, oh.
See, you don't even know how to
I
work.
forgot.
It's too difficult, you know what I mean? You want something with ease.
Why does this thing keep a permanent smile on my face? Huh?
That's funny, dude. But do you really like this thing? Like, really think about it. I know you're on the spot with the camera and all.
I mean, I got your check ready. Listen,
Let
I
it
know
go.
you brought it, but I know you're gonna be crying on the way home. And
So you don't want to do that to me?
And I don't want to do that to you.
I'll be good, man. I'm
sure?
over.
You sure?
We just have to talk to Eleazar. He might be a little bit iffy because he put in lots of hours into this thing, painting it.
Oh, okay.
But I know. I think
Well, that's what that check is for.
yeah. That's what the check will cover. All
You know
them
what I mean?
tears. We
Yeah.
swipe our tears with it.
All the sweat and tears.
I think it went into paddle shifter mode.
Come on. Let me go get you your check.
Are you being serious?
Come on.
I don't think you're being serious.
Come on.
I talked to your wife.
What'd she say?
She said, no, we don't need it.
Come on. I got it sitting here on the counter.
She said 100 grand. She was like,
100?
I mean, 120 grand. She said that's too much. Let's see what your wife has to say. Can he buy the car?
Put my money down.
Here.
Dang.
Here's your check.
We can't afford 100K on the car.
Wow, that's more than, I'd have to give you 100,
Man, that's for the
Yeah,
both
because-
cars.
180 back. 180. The price done changed.
Dang, son.
I don't think you want it. I mean, you can go ahead and take it back home. You got the key. You know what I can title this video?
What?
Brother's wife doesn't let him buy car.
Brother leaves wife for Lamborghini.
Whoa.
You gotta do it over the thing. You good?
Dang.
So good you want to eat off the floor.
Is that why they call it the dang sauce?
Yo, we can launch some fireworks off of this thing. Go, 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 go. That was crazy. That'd be nice.
Little dock right here.
Yeah, that'd be awesome.
Putting me a couple chairs up there.
You know, we were thinking about buying a little stand-up jet ski today and putting it in here.
Oh my goodness. It's out. It's out. No. It went out.
Throw it.
Oh. Oh.
Go ahead. Toss it, toss it, toss it. That was cool. Firework competition out here. Neighbors versus neighbors. Who's gonna have the biggest bang? Hey, man.
No, boys, I was like 50.
Time for the sassy. All right, it's time for the ammo crate. You gotta literally open it up like a crate.
I don't even know what's inside of it.
Wow.